Hello everyone and welcome back to another Amped update video. Today I'm going to be taking you through a update to Amped 5. Every update I seem to say this, but we've got an absolutely huge update for you today. This is going to be quite a long video. We're introducing a lot of new filters. Most of these new filters are going to be audio based. So we're adding the capability or increasing our capability with handling audio streams from your video files that you're bringing into Amped 5. This includes being able to write out audio streams and add audio streams where you need. However, before we jump into the new audio capabilities, I would like to introduce our first new filter in this update, which is going to be the blank video filter. Now, I know a lot of people have wanted this filter in 5 for quite some time now, and I'm very excited to be able to talk you through how this filter works. The idea behind the blank video filter is to allow you to create a titling video that can be inserted into your timeline, or even you can create a blank video and then maybe add an audio stream that was important in your case into a timeline too. Okay, so let's jump into 5 and take a look at where this new filter lives. So if we go to the load category, you'll be able to see that blank video is in there near the bottom. After I've applied that filter, you can see it creates a new chain. Now, we've got a blank video that's being created. You've just got a black screen, and we can change the resolution of that video by going to the size presets, or we can place in our own customized height and width. And then you can change the frame rate and the duration. So if you are timelining this with another video, an evidence video, then you would want to change the frames per second to the same that your evidence video is. What is nice about the blank video filter is that we can combine this with our annotation filter. Here you can see I've just created a very simple titling screen that I would then place into my timeline at the start before playing the evidence video. Finally, we have one more feature with the blank video, and that is in the background image tab. So here, if you've already created your own personal titling screen that you want in all your videos, you can load a blank video from an image. So here, this image is now being converted into a video that will then be used as your titling screen. Okay, so I'm going to start introducing our new audio capabilities filter by filter, and we're going to start off with the audio loader. With the audio loader, you can load audio streams from either audio files, or you can load the audio stream straight out of a video format file. So you'll be able to find the audio loader under the load category. And you can load in audio files in 2 ways. If the audio stream has been saved in a audio file format, then you'll be able to just drag and drop that straight into 5, and you can see the supported formats just here. If you want to load a audio stream from a video file, then you need to go through the process of doing a load audio loader. In this example, I loaded the audio streams from a MKV video file. This MKV file actually contained 3 different audio streams, and by forcing the audio streams to load using the audio loader, I can then load all 3 of those audio streams into 5 and then choose which one I want to process. Naturally, if we're giving you the capability to load an audio stream, we're also going to give you the capability to write out an audio stream to file. This could be from an original audio stream that you may have redacted and you want to write out a new audio stream, or you could just be writing a audio stream straight out from a video. So in this example, I'm going to continue from where we left off with the audio loader. So if you remember, I forced the audio streams from a video file to load using the audio loader. I've now selected the audio stream that I want to write out from that file. Then I'm going to go to the writer category, find my audio writer, and once that's placed into my chain, I can then adjust the filter settings and choose what format I want to write this audio out to. You can see we've given you 3 different options for the export format of this audio stream. In this case, I'm just going to select stream copy, and then to finish off the filter, I will just apply this filter. Okay, let me introduce the next new filter for you, which is the add audio stream. So with the add audio stream, you can take a audio file and add that to a video file that you've already got. Maybe you've exported a piece of audio from a video and you've done some enhancement work and you want to bring that audio back into that same video, then you would use the add audio stream. Let's jump into 5 and I will show you another way that you could use this filter to assist your investigations. So what I've done here is using the blank video and the annotate filter, I've created a titling sort of page where I'm going to add the audio stream of a 999 call related to the investigation. By using the blank video and then the add audio stream filter, what I can do is then insert the 999 call into a timeline with my evidence video. We can find the add audio stream filter in our new audio category. Here you can see I'm just navigating to my audio file. And once I double click that or select open, you can see that in my history now and within my player bar, we can see that audio stream. We will continue this trend of introducing new filters available to you. So the next filter I can show you and speak to you about is the audio video Muxer. So with this filter, this is a link filter and it will allow you to take a audio stream from one of your loaded chains and a video stream from a different loaded chain and mux them together to create a new file. So let's jump back into 5 and I will show you a practical example of where you may use this filter. So the example I'm going to show you, and you can see here I've got 2 videos. I've got 2 videos of the same event. And when you've got 2 videos that are covering the same event, you may have a video that has a better video quality, like my first video, and then another video that has better audio quality, which would be my second video. So here I'm just renaming the chains, the first video being the better video, renamed as video, and the second being audio. I'm then going to go to my link category and find the audio video Muxer. And you'll see that that loads into a new chain. And it allows me to input my video and audio inputs. So from those renamed chains, I'm going to set this filter up. Now that I've set them up, you may notice a couple of things. Firstly, the video from the first video is longer in duration than the audio from the second video. And we can see the difference in the duration there. There's a few hundred frames difference. And that's left me with a video that doesn't have audio all the way through. And what is likely to happen in this situation is this audio isn't currently in sync with the video that it's been placed on. But you can see we've got this synchronization tab. Using this synchronization tab, I can change the offset of the audio. And we can even have a reference waveform to allow us to assist this synchronization. So if we pretend that this point in the waveform, in the blue waveform, and this point in the red waveform is the same event, what I can do then is I can adjust the sync offset until these line up. And in that way, what I've done is I've taken the better quality audio, the better quality video, and then I've synced them together as they should have been during the real event. The sync offset will adjust the audio position in frames. So each digit here is changing the starting frame. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of the update video. Here I'm just going to speak about one of the new changes that we've added to our audio redaction filter. So with this update being primarily audio capabilities, there was a few comments that we had regarding our audio redaction filter from our users, and we've implemented the requests that we've had for this filter. The main request that we received was to allow to put information about any redactions within a comment box. So let's jump into 5 and I'll show you how this new updated audio redaction works. I'm going to continue the example where I've used the audio video Muxer. And here, one thing to note, the audio redaction filter used to be in the presentation category. It's now been moved to the audio category. I've applied this filter and now we can go to these filter settings and you can see it will look slightly different. The main difference here is once I've created a redaction. So I'll quickly redact part of this audio. And then what I can do is select that redaction. And you can see once I select that, I can then allow to create a comment regarding it. So I can put in whatever I want for the redaction here. Let's say that I removed this part of the audio because there was some sensitive information mentioned at this part. Once you've created a redaction, if you move your video player to where that redaction is, you'll see that we get some information on the video. Now here we can't see it that well, so I'm just going to add a text background to this so we can see that redaction comment. And you can see it clearly states that the audio was redacted. There's some graphics and you can select and deselect whether you want this to be shown on your video or not. So that will be down to your SOPs whether you want that. And like our other filters that involve text, there's lots of customization available to you under the font, color, size, etc. I hope you enjoyed this update video. I hope you're looking forward to using the new filters and that you've gotten a good insight on how to use these filters now. Remember, we will be making a Filter Friday on how to use these filters, and there's some more information available to you regarding the update and the filters themselves in our blog. Until next time, take care.